Tenax Multipurpose Net is a versatile premium strength net that is lightweight and black in color with small mesh openings at approximately 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch and has a strength of 308 pounds per foot, making it perfect for multiple applications. Its available and roll dimensions are 2x25, 2x50, 3x25, 3x50, and 4x25 and 4x50. Multi-purpose net applications are wide. It can be draped over trees, bushes, or plant beds, used as an upright barrier to protect ponds, gardens, and flower beds. Also used as a leaf collection blanket or used anywhere a barrier net is needed and easily installed and reused. Installing multi-purpose net is easy. For an upright application, first cut the net to desired length. Place a support post every 4 feet around the area multi-purpose will be installed. Attach net to each post with fence ties pulling the ties to ensure a clean install. Between each post, install 2 tent-style stakes pulling net tight to the ground. For a draping application, first cut the net to desired length and drape over area needing protection. Then use tent-style stakes to secure net to the ground and hold in place.